All right, what's going on, everyone? Got a question earlier about how I made my first $1 million. And I think this is one of those numbers, that $1 million number, that a lot of people look at as like, whoa, like this is a part of it. This is, this is a number that all of a sudden, like I'm the man or woman, right? Like I've done this shit and I'm an expert. Look, how I made my first $1 million is through a lot of hard work and mistakes. And so unlike a lot of, kind of quick win, I put the right money in at the right, I'm not here to tell you that story. Okay. I'm here to tell you the story of how when I was 20, when did I start? 26, maybe 25. I started investing what's called a 401k. Started maxing it out. Right. And for those of you who are like, man, investing in a 401k sounds old school. It's free money. The government's getting ready to take 30% of it as is. Right. So I want all of you to think. So to me, how I made that first $1 million, started investing almost from the jump. As soon as I got a job, started maxing out my 401k. By the time you're 35, you keep maxing out that 401k, even after 10 years. I'm telling you, that gets you to 300, 250, 300 of it. Right. So that's way number one. Number two, I kept taking jobs for more growth. If you follow my channel, you listen to what I say, I talk about this all the time. So guess what? Maybe I gave up making an extra $20,000 this year in sales, but I got into sales leadership. Guess what? Maybe I lost out whenever I went back in to be an enterprise rep for a year to learn that skill. Maybe I missed out on 50 grand. But let me tell you what didn't happen. Then when I got my first VP job, guess what happened to my income? Beep. Right? And so many times, if you want to get to that $1 million, and that's probably what got me the next 500 or 600. And it's only that extra 100, which was from a really good exit that I had, that kind of pushed it up and over. But for the most part, my friends, the way that I made my first $1 million was work and putting money away and trust me, I went out and had lots of fun, but always thinking, man, if I do this, that's going to get me to here. And then am I doing this to where my income 3 years from now or 4 years from now? Everyone thinks they want to be a millionaire right now. My friend, millionaires are actually usually made by putting in the work and doing the smart things on the day to day. So if you want to make your first $1 million or maybe your next 10 million, that's my recipe. All right, my friends, I hope that hits home. Go out there, make your first $1 million, make your next 10 million, and make sure you tune in, subscribe to the latest videos we have on sales, entrepreneurship, and leadership.